Gentlemen, are you feeling it? After 50, does your body seem to be slowing down? Your stamina isn't what it used to be, and your desire for intimacy feels like it's fading? You're not alone. Many men face this reality as they age, feeling like they're losing their edge both in their daily lives and relationships. But here's the thing, it's not just aging, it's how you treat your body. When hormones drop, physical activity decreases, and nutrition takes a back seat, your body becomes imbalanced, affecting your sexual health, mental clarity, and confidence. The good news? You don't need medication or expensive treatments to get back on track. With the right exercises and proper nutrition, your body can recover naturally. In this video, I'm sharing 7 simple exercises and 5 easy-to-follow food groups designed specifically for men over 50 who want to boost testosterone, improve stamina, and regain control of their intimate life. No pills, no clinic visits, just practical solutions that you can start today. How do you feel about the changes you've noticed after middle age? Share your thoughts below. Your experience could help others realize they're not alone. And if you're ready for a natural, safe approach to reclaiming your vitality, make sure to subscribe and join us on this journey to better health. Number 1, is aging really the problem? Here's what's truly behind your declining vitality after 50. As men hit the age of 50, many start to notice a significant shift in their vitality. Stamina seems to fade, intimacy feels less engaging, and overall energy levels just aren't what they used to be. It's easy to chalk this up to the natural process of aging. But what if I told you that aging itself isn't the true culprit? The real issue lies in how we treat our bodies as we grow older. Sure, hormones naturally begin to decline with age, but lifestyle factors like poor exercise habits, a lack of proper nutrition, and an inactive lifestyle can speed up this process. These choices lead to an imbalance in your body, affecting everything from mental clarity to sexual health, and ultimately, your overall confidence. If you think this means you just have to accept a slower, less vibrant life, think again. The good news is, you don't have to rely on medications or expensive treatments to feel better. In fact, the power to regain your strength, energy, and vitality is within your control. Your body is incredibly resilient, and with the right approach, focusing on exercise, better nutrition, and self-care, you can reverse the effects of hormonal decline. Instead of resigning yourself to fatigue and diminished confidence, imagine waking up each day feeling more energetic, stronger, and more capable than you thought possible. It's not about drastic changes, it's about making small, consistent improvements that can have a huge impact on your health and well-being. Aging doesn't have to mean a decline in your quality of life. By taking charge of your body now, you can reclaim your vitality and experience life with the energy you've been missing. Let's explore how to make it happen. Number 2, is your lifestyle aging you faster? Here's what you need to know about testosterone decline. Have you ever wondered why, despite the passage of time, your body feels like it's aging faster than it should? It's not just about getting older. It could be how you're living your life. A sedentary lifestyle, poor diet, lack of sleep, and chronic stress are the hidden culprits speeding up the decline of your testosterone levels. This gradual drop isn't something you'll just feel in your energy levels. It can trigger a cascade of changes that affect every part of your life. You might start noticing fatigue creeping in, that stubborn weight gain around your midsection, and a gradual loss of muscle tone. Worst of all, you may see a decline in your sexual performance, leaving you feeling frustrated and out of control. But here's the shocking truth. These changes aren't simply an inevitable part of getting older. They are often a direct result of neglecting your health. When you don't take care of your body, whether through lack of exercise, poor nutrition, or constantly being stressed out, your hormones take the hit. And that's where things can go south quickly. What if you could turn back the clock and reverse these effects? Imagine feeling more energized, regaining that youthful strength, and boosting your confidence without relying on medications or treatments. It's all possible by making simple, sustainable changes to your lifestyle. You don't have to let a poor lifestyle drain your vitality. Let's take control and restore what's been lost. Number 3, want to feel strong again after 50? Here's how to reclaim your vitality naturally. Have you ever wished for a way to feel stronger, more energetic, and in control of your body again after turning 50? What if the secret to reclaiming your vitality didn't involve medications, expensive treatments, or endless doctor visits? The truth is, you have everything you need to restore your strength and energy, naturally. Men over 50 can regain hormone balance, muscle mass, and confidence simply through the right exercise and nutrition. No complicated solutions, no pills, just a simple, holistic approach that works with your body's natural healing abilities. It all starts with movement. Proper exercise can help you boost circulation, rebuild lost muscle, and stabilize hormones like testosterone. These simple, effective exercises don't require fancy machines or hours at the gym. Just a few basic movements performed consistently can make a significant difference. Add a balanced, nutrient-rich diet into the mix, one that includes healthy fats, protein, and essential vitamins, and your body will begin to restore itself. Your hormones won't need to rely on artificial boosts. With the right foods and consistent activity, your testosterone levels will stabilize, your energy will rise, and your vitality will return, all without the need for costly treatments. Imagine waking up feeling more energized, more confident, and more in control of your body than you have in years. It's entirely possible when you give your body the right nutrition and exercise it needs to thrive. Don't wait for aging to take its toll. Take charge of your health today and begin your journey toward natural recovery. The key to feeling strong, youthful, and full of energy is simpler than you think, and it starts with you. Number 4. 7 simple exercises to reclaim your strength and vitality after 50. Feeling sluggish or noticing a decline in your strength after 50? You're not alone, but here's the good news. You don't need to hit the gym or buy expensive equipment to feel like yourself again. In fact, there are 7 simple exercises that can transform your body, boost your energy, and help you regain control over your health, all from the comfort of your own home. Let's dive into these exercises that are designed specifically for men over 50 to improve strength, circulation, and vitality. 1. Pelvic floor contractions. This is a powerful exercise that helps strengthen your pelvic floor, which plays a crucial role in intimacy and core stability. Simply contract the muscles as if you're trying to stop the flow of urine, hold for a few seconds, and release. Repeat several times a day, and you'll be amazed at the difference. Number 2, bodyweight squats. A classic move that works wonders for your legs, glutes, and overall strength. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, lower your body as if you're sitting into a chair, and rise back up. It's a great way to boost circulation and muscle mass without needing any equipment. 3. Basic plank. Strengthen your core and improve posture by holding a plank position for 20 to 30 seconds. Keep your body straight, engaging your core muscles. This exercise improves stability and targets multiple muscle groups simultaneously. 4. Hip raises. Lie on your back, bend your knees, and place your feet flat on the floor. Raise your hips toward the ceiling, hold for a few seconds, then lower back down. This exercise activates your glutes and lower back muscles, helping with posture and mobility. 5. Brisk walking. Walking is one of the most underrated yet powerful exercises you can do. A brisk 15 to 20 minute walk a day will improve circulation, boost heart health, and elevate your mood. Plus, it's easy to fit into your daily routine, whether it's in the morning or late afternoon. 6. Full body stretch. Start your day with a gentle full body stretch. Reach overhead, stretch your sides, and rotate your shoulders and hips. Stretching increases flexibility, reduces tension, and helps maintain mobility as you age. 7. Deep breathing. Deep breathing isn't just for relaxation. It's a powerful tool for restoring your body's natural balance. Sit still, inhale deeply through your nose for a few seconds, hold, and then exhale slowly. Doing this for just a few minutes each morning and night can lower stress levels, improve circulation, and recharge your energy. These 7 simple exercises are all you need to begin rebuilding your strength, increasing your energy, and boosting your testosterone naturally. They don't require fancy equipment or hours at the gym, just consistency and dedication. Start today, and you'll be amazed at how quickly your body responds. Ready to feel stronger, healthier, and more confident? These exercises are your first step toward transformation. Number 5, The 5 essential foods you need to boost your vitality and hormones after 50. Want to feel more energized, restore your hormone balance, and boost your stamina after 50? The secret isn't in expensive supplements or complicated treatments. It's in the food you eat. By adding the right nutrients to your diet, you can help your body naturally regain strength, vitality, and confidence. Here are 5 key food groups that will help you reclaim your health and feel like your younger self again. 1. Healthy fats. Healthy fats are essential for hormone production, especially testosterone. Foods like eggs, avocados, and fatty fish like salmon are packed with the right fats that not only help balance your hormones but also support heart health. These fats provide the raw materials your body needs to function optimally. So, don't be afraid to embrace healthy fats. They're a game changer for your vitality. 2. Dark leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and broccoli aren't just for rabbits. They're packed with magnesium and B vitamins that are crucial for regulating your hormones and improving circulation. These dark leafy greens are full of fiber and antioxidants that help reduce inflammation, improve blood flow, and keep your energy levels up. Try adding a serving of steamed or boiled greens to each meal for maximum benefits. 3. Zinc and magnesium-rich foods. Zinc and magnesium are 2 essential minerals that support male health, especially when it comes to sexual function and muscle maintenance. Oysters, pumpkin seeds, and leafy greens are excellent sources of these nutrients. Make sure to incorporate these foods into your diet 2 to 3 times a week to give your body the building blocks it needs for optimal health. Number 4. Antioxidant-rich foods. As you age, your body becomes more vulnerable to oxidative stress, which can accelerate aging and hormone decline. Combat this with antioxidant-rich foods like berries, blueberries, strawberries, and even small amounts of dark chocolate. These foods fight free radicals, protect your cells, and help your body stay young, strong, and energized. Number 5. Water. Hydration is often overlooked, but it's one of the most important factors for maintaining good health. Even mild dehydration can lower your testosterone levels and drain your energy. Make it a habit to drink 1.5 to 2 liters of water a day, spaced throughout the day. Staying hydrated will support your metabolism, improve circulation, and boost your overall energy. Incorporating these 5 food groups into your diet can have a profound impact on your health, vitality, and hormones. By nourishing your body with the right nutrients, you'll feel stronger, more energized, and ready to take on the challenges of each day. It's time to eat for vitality and reclaim the health you deserve. Starting today. Number 6. Unlock your full potential. How exercise and nutrition can transform your health after 50. Imagine waking up every morning feeling energized, confident, and ready to take on the day. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. The key to unlocking this transformation is simpler than you think. Combining exercise with proper nutrition. When done consistently, this powerful duo can completely change the way you feel, inside and out. By committing to regular exercise and nourishing your body with the right foods, you can naturally boost your testosterone levels. This isn't just about improving strength or muscle mass. It's about restoring the vitality you might have thought you lost forever. As testosterone levels rise, you'll start to notice your energy levels soaring, making it easier to stay active, feel motivated, and power through your day. Better circulation is another benefit you'll experience. As your blood flow improves, you'll see noticeable changes in your performance, both in the gym and in more intimate areas of your life. Increased circulation helps your muscles recover faster, reduces fatigue, and even boosts sexual function, helping you feel more confident and in control. On top of that, the combination of exercise and nutrition helps you sleep better and wake up with more energy. Quality sleep is essential for hormone regulation, muscle repair, and overall well-being. When your body has the right fuel and movement, it functions at its best, allowing you to live a healthier, more vibrant life. You don't need to rely on medications or expensive treatments. With the right approach to exercise and nutrition, your body can naturally restore itself, helping you feel stronger, healthier, and more confident than ever before. The transformation starts with just a few simple changes today. Number 7. Start now. How small steps can lead to big changes in your health and confidence. What if I told you that the key to feeling stronger, more energized, and confident again doesn't require expensive treatments or complicated routines. The truth is, the transformation you're looking for starts with small, consistent steps. And the best part? You can begin today, right where you are. Too often, we put off making changes because we think they need to be drastic or time-consuming. But real progress comes from making simple, manageable changes that add up over time. By committing to just a few minutes of exercise each day and nourishing your body with the right foods, you'll start to see improvements in your health, strength, and overall well-being. These small changes will lead to huge benefits like increased energy, better sleep, and improved confidence. And the best part? You won't need to rely on costly medications or treatments to see these results. Your body has the incredible ability to heal and thrive when you give it the right care. So, why wait? Start now and take that first step toward a stronger, healthier, and more vibrant version of yourself. Consistency is the key. Don't worry about perfection, just make progress every day. The transformation you've been waiting for is within reach, and it begins with you taking action today. Are you ready to take control of your health and feel like your younger self again? The journey to a stronger, more vibrant you doesn't require expensive treatments or complicated regimens. It starts with simple, actionable steps that you can begin today. By making small changes to your daily routine, through regular exercise, proper nutrition, and a commitment to consistency, you can naturally boost your energy, restore your vitality, and reclaim your confidence. Your body is incredibly resilient, and when you give it the right tools, it can recover and thrive. This isn't about drastic transformations overnight. It's about taking steady, consistent actions that will pay off in the long run. Picture waking up each day feeling energized, strong, and ready to conquer whatever comes your way. Imagine your mind clear, your body in control, and your confidence restored in every area of your life. The power to feel better, stronger, and more confident is already within you. The only thing standing between you and your best self is the decision to start today. Don't wait for tomorrow. Take the first step now and experience the transformation that's waiting for you. Your future self will thank you.